Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, but I'm back, okay? So, I was watching YouTube and I seen this video of these rainbow conchas, and I seen this girl making them. I'm like, I need to try that. And I don't think where I live, they don't sell stuff like that. So I was like, I'll just make it myself. But they looked really cool to me and I really wanted to make them. So today, we are making, as you can see, rainbow conchas. Now I will say this recipe is not mine. I got it off of YouTube from this lady, and I'm going to link her recipe down below, but I didn't use the same fondant as her, and so I'm going to link the recipe that I used and the fondant that I used in the description box below. So for the ingredients, you need cinnamon, milk, butter, melted butter, yeast, flour, 1 egg, shortening, and some sugar. I didn't show the sugar. So I'm using the sugar that I already have and put some in the yeast and put in the milk that I already have. Now the reason why it didn't see as much flour and sugar that I actually used is because I actually messed up on the recipe. This is actually melted butter and lard. I had to melt that together. But because I messed up, so I had to end up basically making the full recipe because I was trying to cut it in half. So just make sure you follow the recipe and not follow the video. Always, when you make any kind of recipe, make sure you just, follow the recipe, not the video, because some people do things differently like I did. And there also is vanilla extract in this recipe, but I decided to only use almond extract. So I basically just combined all my ingredients inside the bowl and until I got a dough. And I got a dough. And I just oiled the bowl that I had the dough inside of and placed some plastic wrap over it, and I think I proved it for about an hour, or let it rise, proved, what I even say, for an hour and 30 minutes. So for the fondant, all it was powdered sugar, shortening, and some flour. I just mixed that up until it came like all crumbly, and I could fold it into balls and stuff to make the, the stuff that goes on top of it. And oh yeah, and you want to put some vanilla extract in here too. And if it's a little too dry, just put a teeny tiny bit of water, or you can put more extract. So yeah.
My fingerprint? Oh my gosh, really? It's worse. Oh my gosh. Oh, there we go. Yay. So I'm going to dye each ball with the colors of the rainbow. Okay, after 3 hours of hard work, just joking. It actually has been 3 hours, I think. This is the fondant. For the dough, I have a cocoa powder one for just like a chocolate one. And then these are the balls that... these are the balls that I'm going to be squashing together and, like making like a rainbowy tie-dye effect. I know I don't have glue, okay? I thought I had glue, but I don't. So I'm just going to be doing these colors. Still looks like a rainbow to me. So yeah, basically what I'm going to be doing is just smushing. I'm just going to be smushing them up. And then it's going to be all like, not this one obviously, but like just like a tie-dye effect. Like, I don't know how to explain it. You'll see when I squish it up, but I'm holding the camera with one hand, so I can't like, show y'all what I'm doing. But here, actually, I think I can. Ooh. I know it's a little careless. Okay, that's as much as I can zoom out. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, I don't think I'm maybe to show you guys. Ooh. Okay, oh no, yeah, yeah, no. Okay, hold on. No, yeah, I can't show you guys and do these at the same time, so I'm just trying to like, I'm just basically gonna mush them up and just like fold it over and like make like a tie-dye effect. Yeah. Okay, so I kind of figured out, okay, yeah, the lens is way too close to it. So but y'all can get the gist of it. Like, look how pretty it's already looking. I just started molding it. Well, not molding, but come on, hold the camera! So I can show them what I'm doing. Oh, it looks so pretty. Here, yeah, hold it like that. Yeah, okay, so, yeah, these are what the, oh, it looks so cool. These are what the colors are looking like. So I'm not gonna fold it together too much because I don't want it to get, I don't want it to have like a weird looking, like I don't want it to get like all brown and ugly. You know, I want to keep folding these over. So I think this is as much as I'm gonna fold it over, because I like the big splotches of, is it showing? I like the big splotches of color. You know, it looks way more orange than it actually is in real life. But, yeah, so I'm gonna roll this out, flatten it out, and then I'm gonna roll it into balls. Look at that. I'm gonna roll it into balls and then flatten them out and put it over the, well, actually, no, I'm gonna save this to the side. Okay, turn off the camera. What I did here is I got a glass plate, I covered it with plastic wrap, and then I have another glass plate, and I covered it with another plastic wrap, because I don't have, Concha press, so this is my fondant right here. So basically what I'm going to do is, look at that, that's so cool, I'm going to break it off, I'm going to try to do this with one hand. Kyle, can you help me? No, I got it fine, you ain't got to help me. No, you ain't got to help me. Okay, so now I got, there's a bar right here. And now I'm going to put the plate on top. Hopefully I didn't, oh, actually, you know what? Okay, whatever, it's fine. So now I'm going to put the plate on top and I'm just going to press it down as much as I can. And this is food color, I'm going to press it down, try to get as flat as possible. And I'm going to pick the plate up. Okay, that didn't work. Okay, that didn't work. Okay. Okay, so new plan. Okay, so I got a new plan. I put the plate on the back of the plate. Oh, this plate. Oh, I think this is going to work either. We'll see. Okay, so now I'm going to put this on top of here. And see if it works. Because it needs to stretch out. Well, I might have to use like the back of a pan or something. Nope, that didn't work either. New plan.
Okay, so plan B was I put, this is on the back of a pan. This back of the pan has plastic wrap, and then this is under that. So I'm gonna like try to swish this down on the counter to see how flat I can get it. Okay, so I found a method to putting these conchas, like the wrappers on them. So yeah, basically what I'm doing is I pressed it out with the pan, and then I'm basically just putting it on top of it and just peeling it off, and then show y'all. I just put it back, the same paper back. Put the put the ball of the fondant onto the wrapper. I then cover it up with the same wrapper I don't use. Then I just get a pan and just press it down. So yeah. Okay, so 12 hours later, these are them all pressed out. If you are going to make these conchas, buy the concha press. It'll be so much easier if you had the concha press, but the pan worked fine. It just took it took forever. But yeah, and I didn't have parchment paper, so I just greased some foil, and I have my oven at oh no, dang it, I forgot I have to press these things. Okay, hold on. Okay, just put the camera in the concha. Okay, so I'm probably doing this wrong, but all I'm doing is taking like a tub, like the edge of it, and I'm like pressing it. And if I'm doing it wrong, sorry. Yeah, I don't know. It's my first time ever making them, and I'm kind of over making these things. It's taken me like literally forever. I don't know, it's probably because I'm filming it. That's why it feels like it's just taking so much longer. Let me do a crisscross pattern, but yeah, I've been making these since like, I don't even know how long. But I'm just over it, and I'm just ready to get these things done. And get this video up. This is annoying. Maybe I'm just, Maybe it's the method that I'm using, because no, I think if I would have used the press, it would have freaking board. If I would have used the press, it probably wouldn't have taken so long. But you know what? It is what it is. These are what it's looking like. Ooh. So yeah, in the oven for 360 for 18 to 20 minutes.
They say it's a Mexican donut, but it's like a Mexican donut. But, okay, so you got, okay, okay, turn off volcano too. Turn off volcano too, press the pause button. Okay, so I'm back. Okay, so I'm done. And as you can see, I'm so proud of my Conchas. I hope I'm saying that right. But, yeah. The color stayed, but I feel like it faded just a teeny tiny bit. And it split, because I probably didn't cut it as good as I was supposed to. But they all look really good. It looks just like how the girl made them. And by the way, this is my first time making stuff. I do not make stuff first time I'm going to make it again on camera. No, I just do it all in one, because that's just what I do. So, yeah.
And that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, I think my next video, I'm either gonna make rainbow French macarons, or I really want to try to make something with my niece. But yeah, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.